Welcome back, Hustle family. Today's question is obviously from our YouTube. Like I always tell you, if you really want to ask us a question, you must be subscribed and then put it in YouTube. So take it away, Karen.
What's your perspective on mortgage automation? Will it replace and/or reduce LO in the future?
That's a really good question. If you haven't watched, please watch our branding video, which is right up here, because that's the biggest thing. If you do not brand yourself, then I feel like automation will replace you because you're not special. It's nothing you're not
unique
doing
about
things.
you.
Exactly. You're exact same as every other LO or anyone else. So they don't know you. And this is a big thing that a lot of loan officers are now feeling because they're getting replaced not by a full automation, but they're getting replaced by bigger companies that have people just calling.
Yes, because in the everyday loan officer business, there is a bit of automation that's automatically going on. And what might be affected more by automation is not exactly loan officers, but loan processors, because the automation is going to be handling what the processors normally would.
That's a good point too. But now, so this is what you're going to do. You have to understand, when clients say, hey, what's the point of coming to you versus going to these big name banks, things like that. At a big name bank or a big name institution, you're just a number. They don't know the client's name. So you're going to stand out, one, by knowing their full name, knowing about their family, knowing about if they have kids, these things, or knowing if they have pets. These subtle little changes as well. Oh, wow, he knew that? He knew about my birthday? He asked me about my kids? He asked me about my vacation?
Yeah.
These things are what makes you stand out. And then you have to understand, buying a house is like one of the biggest purchases most people make in their life.
It's 100% true.
So do they really want to risk that on some random number, 1-800 number?
That they can't connect with anyone to actually give them real answers. Or
They can't even see them. They don't do Zoom calls with them.
Exactly.
They can't physically meet them in the office and things like that. So these little key things that you can do as a loan officer makes you stand out and makes you more special. Right? More special?
More special.
So if you're in this position where you're wondering if this is going to be a way to lose my job or not, utilize it to help you.
Exactly.
For example, automation inside of our business to make our process easier. Like when I get a new client, I send it out
Put
to
it in
carry.
your
It goes into
CRM
the
system.
CRM for reminders for birthday, reminders about emails. So you can utilize the automation to your benefit, but will it replace every loan officer? It's not possible because of the personal connection that you build
I
with your
think
clients.
loan officers are needed to actually keep an eye on the file. Again, like I said, it might affect processors, being that they're not needed as much because now the loan officer has the help and the assistance from the automation to go through the files faster and sooner.
But I feel like if you are, play devil's advocate, if you are a processor, if you're with a good team who likes the way you work, I feel like if you're invaluable to the team, I'm not going to change you. Like,
because computers make mistakes.
Exactly. Humans do too. But the fact that they're invaluable, they're good at talking to people, they can get the docs. As long as you're giving me less stress, I'm going to keep you around longer, even if it's able to automate it, and because I believe in loyalty.
Yeah. But
So
you're
all
not
depends. You're right. I'm not everyone. So it all depends on what the process is doing, how much experience they have. But automation can affect anyone. I feel like Giselle said. Processors might feel it first, then loan officers. But if you can make yourself stand out, even as a processor, as a loan officer, you're holding your job steady. And remember, loan officers, you hunt. So we're not getting deals. So we're hunting our own clients. So as long as I can keep fishing, someone's going to want to do business with me. Some bank,
you just have to be a good salesperson. Once you're a good seller, I don't think you really have to worry about much.
And sales will always be around. From the beginning of time, sales have been around. Whether it's selling a computer, while selling food, cable, cars, something is going to happen in sales. So keep doing it, keep growing, keep learning. And if you're a loan officer, you're not learning. First of all, you're gonna replace yourself. You're gonna get left behind by the time. Forget automation, you get left behind by other loan officers. If you're not growing, if you're not creating your YouTube, if you're not studying, if you're not watching this YouTube and subscribe to it,
you're gonna be the blockbuster.
Ooh, I like that. The blockbuster of loans.
Yep.
That's it. Over and out.